Want to master prompts like a pro? Prompts are the secret key to unlocking AI's full potential. In our last video, we have covered the prompts that will upgrade your life instantly. Missed it? You'll see it highlighted at the end. In our today's video, we are going to cover 10 prompts to build confidence. Let's dive in. Confidence is like a muscle. The more you train it, the stronger it gets. But here's the problem. Most people don't know how to train it. That's where ChatGPT comes in. Think of it like a personal coach, ready 24/7 to give you exercises, affirmations, and strategies to help you walk taller, speak clearer, and believe in yourself. Today, I'm sharing 10 powerful prompts you can copy and paste into ChatGPT right now to build confidence in your career, your relationships, and your daily life. And trust me, if you start using even just one of these prompts today, you'll notice the difference in the way you carry yourself. Prompt number 1. Create a 10-minute daily routine that helps me boost my confidence every morning. ChatGPT will design simple steps like power poses, affirmations, visualization, and breathing exercises. When I tried it, my routine included writing down 3 strengths, practicing a quick gratitude exercise, and reciting affirmations. Doing this for even a week straight sets the tone for a confident day. Number 2. Rewrite my negative thoughts into positive, empowering affirmations. If you often think, "I'm not good enough," ChatGPT can flip it into, "I'm capable and improving every day." This trains your brain to replace doubt with belief. And if you keep repeating those new thoughts, they slowly become your reality. If you want it to do you a list of 10 to 15 ready-to-use affirmations, you can say every morning it will do it for you. Number 3. Give me practical tips for confident body language in social situations. Confidence isn't just about words, it's how you carry yourself. ChatGPT can list specific actions: maintain eye contact, uncross your arms, take slower steps, and use an open posture. I tested this at a networking event, and just by adjusting my body language, people approached me more. Sometimes it's the silent things that make the loudest impact. Number 4. Help me prepare a 2-minute speech on topic and make it sound confident. For example, let me ask a topic about semiconductor. Whether it's a work presentation or introducing yourself at an event, ChatGPT will structure your speech, suggest strong opening lines, and even coach you on tone. This is a great way to practice sounding. Number 5. Give me 5 practical steps to overcome fear of failure. Fear of failure is the biggest enemy of confidence. ChatGPT might suggest reframing failure as feedback, setting smaller achievable goals, and practicing exposure to things that scare you. For example, if you fear speaking up in meetings, it can guide you to start by asking 1 short question per meeting. Small wins build confidence. Number 6. Give me 10 conversation starters I can use to feel more confident in social settings. No more awkward silences. ChatGPT can give you simple, natural starters like, "What's the most exciting thing you've worked on recently?" Or, "If you could travel anywhere right now, where would you go?" I tried this at a dinner, and it immediately sparked great conversations. The more you use these prompts, the less nervous you'll feel in social settings. Number 7. Help me list my top 10 strengths and turn them into affirmations. Sometimes we forget what we're good at. ChatGPT can help you rediscover your skills and put them into affirmations like, "I am a great problem solver," or "I inspire people with my creativity." Repeating these daily strengthens your belief in yourself. Number 8. Role play as a mentor who gives me advice for handling situation with confidence. This is powerful because ChatGPT can simulate real-life scenarios, like you are addressing new hires or asking for a raise, having a tough conversation, or meeting new people. You practice in a safe environment, so when the real moment comes, you already feel prepared. Number 9. Design a 7-day confidence journal with prompts I can fill in daily. ChatGPT might create daily reflections like, "What did I do today that made me proud?" Or, "How did I step out of my comfort zone?" Journaling builds self-awareness, and self-awareness builds confidence. Over time, you see just how much progress you're making. And finally, number 10. Guide me through a visualization exercise where I see myself as my most confident self. Visualization is a tool top athletes and performers use. ChatGPT can walk you through closing your eyes, picturing yourself succeeding, and embodying that energy. When you see it in your mind, it becomes easier to live it in reality. Let's recap the 10 prompts quickly. Daily confidence routine, positive self-talk, confident body language, public speaking practice, overcoming fear of failure, conversation starters, identifying strengths, role-playing scenarios, confidence journal, future self-visualization. Confidence isn't built overnight. It's built through consistent practice. And ChatGPT can act like your personal trainer, giving you the exact exercises to strengthen it daily. So my challenge for you, pick just one of these prompts today, try it, and watch how even small changes build your confidence step by step. If this video gave you value, hit like, subscribe, and share it with someone who needs a confidence boost. Remember, confidence isn't about being perfect. It's about showing up, even when you're not. And with the right tools, you can build it stronger every single day. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. We've got more powerful videos coming to help you build unstoppable confidence. Bye.